Welcome to another episode of Real Estate Investing Explained. Here's today's question. So as I mentioned at the beginning of the show, I don't think the majority of people know of what note investing is or what the strategy is. And I think even fewer people are actually using it. I think most people are usually on the other side of notes where they're writing checks to the owners rather than collecting checks as note owners themselves. So what exactly is note investing?
In the simplest form, it's being the bank. So there's all kinds of debt out there. I manage several mortgage investment funds, but there's plenty of auto debt, medical debt, student loan debt, credit card debt, just goes on and on and on. So my industry is a $1 trillion industry. There's probably a good 8 trillion in first mortgages and probably close to $1 trillion in junior liens. So and I'm in the 1 to 4 family residential space, and we're nationwide, but there's commercial notes, there's unsecured notes. It just goes on and on. There's a lot of categories and asset classes that the average person might not know about, but they exist and they've been around a long time.
That's all for this episode of Real Estate Investing Explained. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, or subscribe to our YouTube channel to get even more free content.